An unfortunate incident, a mother and her son lost their lives in a tragic road accident near the main gate of Thoubal District Hospital around 10:30 a.m. today. The victims were reportedly returning home after a dental OPD consultation at the hospital when the incident occurred. The deceased have been identified as Soibam Ongbi Premila, age 48, wife of S. Manitoy, and her son Soibam Arjun, age 20, both residents of Thoubal Pakangkong Leirak. And according to reports, the two were walking along the roadside after visiting the dental OPD of the hospital when a speeding car struck them near the hospital gate. In a further turn of tragedy, a Tata DI vehicle, while trying to avoid the initial collision, ran over them again. The mother was rushed to Thoubal District Hospital, where she succumbed to her injuries, while her son, who sustained critical injuries, was referred to Raj Medicity in Imphal for treatment but later passed away. The bodies of both victims have been kept at the Janims morgue for post-mortem examination.